have 1 bag of frozen broccoli, 16-ounce Velveeta.
Ooh, cheese and broccoli.
Cream of celery.
Cream of celery. I don't think I've seen cream of celery before. I like that.
Ooh, there it goes.
Oh, yum.
It's super delicious.
Yes, I'm excited about this. Celery is really sweet. It's one of those underestimated veggies.
Yeah, just kind of make sure it's off the cheese because we want that cheese to melt.
Oh,
nice.
yeah, okay.
All right, and then we have some evaporated milk. That's just gonna make it nice and creamy. A little sweet to it. It's gonna be so good.
Delish.
Perfect.
Yummy.
All right, and then we're gonna use 3/4 of this family size mushroom.
Ooh,
cream of
family
mushroom.
size. Okay. That's the key, I think, right there. Making sure you
Yeah.
have enough of that. Wow, look at that.
It's gonna be so good.
Yes,
Okay,
I cannot
perfect.
wait to try this.
This is gonna be the best dinner for, you know, a nice cold winter day.
It is super cozy comfort food.
Yep, and it's all in your crock pot. I love crock pot meals because they're just so easy. You throw it in there, sit it, and forget it.
That's right. Oh my gosh, I love that too.
All right, and then I have some chopped onions. This is about half of an onion. You can skip this if you don't like onions, but I love onions.
Me too. Good for the heart.
Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and do some butter slices.
Okay.
We're gonna use half a stick of butter and just place it.
Are you using salted or unsalted?
I'm using salted, but if you don't want that much salt, you totally can use unsalted.
Okay. And those are kind of thick.
Yeah. It doesn't
Yeah.
really matter. The crock pot will just melt it so
Yes,
quick and
okay.
easy. All right, now let's season up this baby a little bit. I'm gonna do some pepper in there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Black pepper.
Yeah.
Yum.
This is a big crock pot, so you gotta make sure you season it a lot, okay? Don't be skimpy with the seasoning. You want a nicely seasoned soup.
That's right. No skimping.
All right, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. If you don't want as much sodium, you can totally skip the salt, but you know, I really want a nice salty soup because it's better that way.
And it brings out the flavor in the broccoli for sure.
All right, and that is it. I'm gonna set my crock pot to high and we're gonna let it cook. All right, it's about halfway. We're gonna just give it a nice stir and then put the lid back on.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the way it's melting.
Yeah, the cheese is almost melted. It definitely needs more time, but that butter just needs to be nicely mixed in.
Oh, it's like sizzling in some spots, which is really nice. Beautiful.
Ooh, this is gonna be so good.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yummy.
Nice mix. Oh, that cheese is just gonna melt and it's gonna make the perfect soup.
It smells so good.
Okay, that looks just mixed enough. Now we're gonna put the lid on for 1 more hour. Okay, it's ready. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
See, that is how we want it to look.
That is so beautiful and gourmet. I love it.
So I cooked it on high for 2 hours, but you can cook it on low for 4.
Oh yeah, okay.
And you know, when it's cooked, you can just set it on warm and then it'll be perfect for your dinner.
Yes, I love that. It's definitely such a great way to make dinner throughout the day.
Right? Our broccoli cheddar soup. Ooh, look at those chunks of broccoli. That's what I like in mine.
Me too.
Get some
I
of
guess
that.
you could use a puree or if you wanted to, if you wanted like cream of broccoli, not just like a broccoli cheddar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Gotta try this. I'm so excited.
Oh, it's so steamy. How is it? Cheddary goodness.